up, everybody? My name is Raf. I'm the CEO of Raf's Coaching LLC, and welcome back to another episode 4 of Raf's Whiteboard. Today we're going to go through a really important topic, and that's the top 3 things to do after you form your LLC. So your LLC is up and running. What do you do next? What's the next steps? Today we go through those steps in the top 3, and we'll get started today. So let's go. So the very first thing you want to do is create a business bank account right after you create your LLC and get your EIN number. This is super important to set up because you want to be able to separate your personal income and your business income. You want to have a business bank account if you need to do any invoicing, if you need to collect any payments, you need transfers, pay yourself, things of that sort. Super important to create your business bank account. Some of the business bank accounts that I personally liked right out the gate for me was BlueVine. BlueVine Bank was super cool for new business owners and entrepreneurs just looking to get started. It is an online bank, but they also offer different lines of credit, loans, things of that sort. After you establish a business checking account, you can probably create a business checking account with BlueVine less than 20 minutes. So it's super cool. Second one that did it for me, don't kill me, all right? There's a reason. Wells Fargo. I know I'm hearing the booze in the background, but Wells Fargo, I like Wells Fargo for their business options is because you can sync your business checking, your personal checking, and a business line of credit within the same accounts and transfer back and forth. A lot of banks do not allow you to transfer lines of credit to your personal or business checking account and then circle payments throughout. So that was a cool feature for me. That won me over with Wells Fargo, but definitely do your own research of which bank account works best for your business. The other part that you want to do is set up forms of payment. Setting up forms of payments is super important because guess what? Your website, the way you collect payments may not be the same how your clients will be paying you. So you also want to make sure you set up Venmo, Cash App, and Zelle. And you want to set all these up under your business name. When you do this, this will create a 1099-K, which will allow you to then put that under your business taxes when you go to file them each year. The reason why these are the forms of transfers and the form of payments are so important is because your clients or your business clients or customers may only be using these as primary banks. So the worst thing you could tell your customer or client is that you cannot accept a form of payment because you don't have these things set up under your business. So definitely a big takeaway. Second thing you definitely want to set up is your business insurance. Business insurance is super important if you're in business to protect your business liability for any lawsuits, any protection of that. A really cool business insurance platform for me was Next Insurance through business. It starts as low as $12.99. There's different plans and different options that best fit your business. But business insurance and Next Insurance is a really great setup. And again, what you will need for your business insurance setup is a good standing form. So the good standing form, you can get that through your state. You'll also get this when you renew your business with the state as well. So to be able to set up, this is particularly with Next Insurance, you need your good standing form and some other supporting documents. But get your insurance as low as $12.99 a month. The third and final thing you want to complete after structuring your LLC will be your business website. Your business website is super important to create after structuring your LLC because your business website is going to tell your clients or customers about what you offer as far as products, services, and it is another form of payment that you can collect from your customers or clients. So some business websites that I like is the first one that did it for me was Wix. Wix allowed me to save time when I was looking to create and form and design my website. I was able to make changes within 30 minutes without coding. So that was really convenient for me as a business owner. The second one, I really recommend is Shopify. Shopify is awesome if you're doing any type of drop shipping. You need shipment labels, you need tracking, invoicing, things of that sort. Shopify is probably the way you want to go with that. You can also get capital program within Shopify as you get income and payments from your customers, and as more you collect that income through your business website. So definitely check out that program where you can get a capital loan through Shopify and much more. So there you have it. Those are the top 3 things you want to do after you form your LLC. First, open your business bank account and separate your personal and your business income. Second, you want to do is protect your business, protect the house with your business insurance. You can get a plan as low as $12.99 through Next, and different plans to best fit your business. The third thing you want to complete is a business website. You want to get official, you want a credibility, you want people to recognize your resume through your business as a reflection through your business website. So there you have it. I appreciate all the love. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Raf's Whiteboard. Raf Coaching is the handle. If you need anything, we're here for you. Thanks again. See you next week. Peace.